Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. What I want to share in this video is on Pi Network. For those of us who have been mining Pi, we know that everything about Pi Mainnet and KYC and migration is so close. It's already, the deadline have been there. If you look at what we have here now, we're having in November, February 28th. It's now the deadline. Yes. So February 28th, and today is already 4th, so we have just barely 3 weeks from today. That's the deadline. Now you need to check if you are fully ready for migration. So I'm going to tell you a few things. Number one, like you're going to see this balance I have here. Some of this balance, I may not have all of them migrated because people who are in my cycle, if most of them have not yet done, verified their KYC, then some of what I have here will not get to me when migration fully, opens up for me. So these are very important. So we need to encourage people under us in our teams to verify their account, do whatever they want to complete the KYC verification and all that. It's very important. Now you can see bringing more people into the system. But what I want to check now, I'm going to show you two things, because some people, if you don't get these things clearly, one will deceive you. Before now, I was making that mistake. I thought, oh, with this, I'm okay. But there's something you need to know. So let's go now. I'm going to, first of all, let me click here. Let me click up here. Or click on Mainnet checklist down here. Anyone I click will give me what I'm looking for. Let me click here, Mainnet checklist. Just watch. Now look at the Mainnet checklist. Say, please follow these steps to prepare for the transfer of your Pi mobile balance to the mainnet. If you look at the first one, say download Pi browser app. I've already done that. It's completed. Create a Pi wallet. I've done that. Completed. Confirm your Pi wallet. Completed. I've done that. Then commit to lockup configuration. I've done that. Secure your account. I've done that. Sign acknowledgement to receive tokens. I've done that. Completed. Number 7, submit your KYC application. I did that. Have you done that? Submit your KYC application. I did that. And after submission, wait for KYC result, which finally came in. That's number 8. Then the final one, migration to mainnet. For so many of us are at this level. And now when you get to this, if you read what they wrote here, say, oh, congratulations, you have been added to the automatic migration queue. Yes. When you see this, you say, wow, I'm now waiting for the system. Not really true. No. If you're at this point and you think that just by waiting for the system is enough for you, no. I'm going to show you. Do you see this number 7 says submit your KYC application completed? Even though it's written completed, for some of us, our own is still tentative. It's written here completed and green. You are seeing green, but the truth is that some of us is not yet completed. And as long as it's not yet completed, the last one cannot happen. But at this point now, if it's perfectly approved, which I'm going to show you how to check on that, then you know that the last point is no longer your business, it's the system. And that's what they must do before their deadline, because it's no longer in your hands to do that. But if what I'm going to show you now, your own is not yet there, then whatever you need to do, if you see a prompt to do this, do that, make sure you do that. Or you prayerfully wait that they will do it for you. Now let's go. Let me go back a bit here and show you. Now let me click on this. You see this place, the top left side. Now I click on it. Now you are going to see PI utilities. Click on PI utilities. See this place? Now click on it. Now when you click on it, you're going to see KYC. Click on it. There are so many other ways to go through this KYC easily without going through all of this. But in any case, make sure you find yourself at this KYC area now. Just see what I'm going to show you. So if you are not at this point, then you are not yet ready for the migration. Don't allow that green, whatever they are saying, you are completed KYC to deceive you. So make sure this area is there for you. Just watch, it's opening up. Let's be patient. It's okay, it's opening up. Logging in, loading. Yes. Are you seeing this? For some of us, what you are seeing here is tentative. Am I right? For some of us, your KYC, even though they are marked green the other side on the mainnet checklist, but you will still see that it's tentative. You see those orange whatever right up, showing that it's not yet green. But here now, you are reading complete. Say your application status, KYC passed. KYC passed. Your KYC application is completed and approved. And you are seeing everything turning to green. You see it? If you are not yet at this point, then I say you can celebrate your KYC status, and it was celebration. If you are not at this point, then you are not ready for migration. Don't just start rising up and say, wow, you see what I showed you before now? My own, look at everything green, remaining the last one. And that deception. Even the KYC, they say marked green, completed. You can still come here and see that it's tentative. And they're speaking grammar from your region, from this and that. So, and some people will end up, that KYC identity may still return and tell you it's not yet complete, because maybe while the document you uploaded, your name, difference here and there. So, one thing or the other. But until it gets to this point where they finally approve it, then, friend, you are not yet ready for the migration. So make sure you go through this, check on all of this. If you have those who are team member that need to do this, please share this video with them so that they go through this and understand what they need to do now before the migration, which is so close already this month. That's the deadline. So that's where I'm going to stop at there. Drop this video, make sure you share with others. And if it makes sense to you, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, the Chima the Educator Video channel, please subscribe to this and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Everything about crypto, everything about making money online, everything about learning, things you need to know, will bring to your doorstep. That's what we'll do here. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.